how to report a bug on Roblox. Google search for report bug Roblox and you want to click on the first website that pops up. You can sign into your account or you can remain signed out, and here you will need to fill out your email address, so which email address you want to receive a response to. What device are you having the problem on? So you will choose the device which you discovered the bug on. So for example, if I use iPhone, then I'm going to choose iPhone. The type of help category is going to be bug report, and then you will also need to choose a subcategory type, and you will again choose bug report. So if you find any glitches or bugs on Roblox, you can type them out right here, and you will then just click on continue. Once you click on continue, this is going to send an email, and if Roblox requires any further information from you for the bug, they will contact you via the email address which you used here at the top. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.